Continue this series of 1,000 mysteries in the world of AI and their answers. The 11th, can AI write science fiction better than humans? It can be structured and imaginative, but lacks depth and human experience. The 12th is AI. Replacing creative jobs. It is providing strong support, but cannot completely replace human creative thinking yet. The 13th, can AI remember what it has said to me? It depends on the system. Some versions, like chat with memory, can remember long contexts. The 14th, can AI control humans? No, if controlled properly. But it can be exploited by malicious individuals. The 15th, does AI have ethics? No, AI does not possess moral values. It only reflects the values of the person who trained it. The 16th, can AI write malicious code? It can if misused, which is why there is a need to limit and regulate AI usage. The 17th, has any AI ever developed independent thinking? Not yet, although some models learn very deeply. There is still no self-awareness. The 18th, do AI have will? No. All actions are responses based on programming and probability. The 19th, has AI ever created something that humans cannot understand? Yes, there have been instances where some neural networks produced correct results. But no one could explain. Why the 20th, can AI communicate with each other in a way that humans do not understand? Yes, there have been studies where AI developed a private language when exchanging information. The 21th, can AI go beyond our control if not closely monitored? There is a risk. That is why many experts are calling for the responsible development of AI.